Okay, so this is our insect exploration kit. So this one will be great for families. It can be you can be out in your back garden seeing what's in your bushes and around the garden. So we have in here we have a net. So the net is for flying insects, obviously, if you see butterflies or anything. So scoop it through the air and twist, and then anything that's caught in it will be caught there and we can collect it. We have some little magnifying pots. So these, if you find any little insects, you can pop them in here and put the lid on, and it's got 2 different sets of magnifiers on it. We have a big magnifying glass as well. You want to close up looking around the trees and see what you can spot. There's also a bag, so if you're out and about, you want to bring all these things in with you, you can just pop them into the drawstring bag here. Just to help you find out what you're looking at, we have this guide here. So it's called Garden Bugs and Beasties. We have over 11,000 recorded invertebrates in Ireland, so you're never going to be able to identify all of them, but this just tells you the main group. So we have our slugs and snails, we have earwigs, we have some aphids, some ladybirds, beetles, some flying insects, we have our butterflies, our bees, some spiders. So the main groups, and it has more information on those on the back as well. So we have certain groups of insects that are bigger and more colourful, so they're easier to spot. So for those, we have these swatches from the National Biodiversity Data Centre that can help you to identify them. So we have those for shield bugs, we have ladybirds. A lot of people will see this ladybird in the front and think this is our only ladybird, but some of you may have spotted the little yellow ones as well. So we actually have a number of different species of ladybirds. So we have our red ones, orange ones, yellow ones, and a couple of black ones as well. Our bumblebees, these ones are not photographs, they're actually pictures. Sometimes the easy way to tell one bumblebee from another is by the arrangement of the colours on them, so the number of stripes. So we have white-tailed, red-tailed, ginger-tailed, and yellow-tailed, blonde-tailed. So we have those ones there. Our butterflies, again, these are very handy that you can have your insect in one hand and you can use the other hand to flick it open and see what you're actually looking at. So we have our butterflies there. We have dragonflies and damselflies. And again, and this one here is the commonly encountered moths. So some of our moths, we have a lot of moths fly at night, but we also have some day flying moths. So you will encounter those, and even some of the nighttime ones, you might see them on leaves and things like that as well. And we also, not to do with insects, but we also have our mammal swatch in here. So if you do spot any mammals, or you want to know what mammals we have in Ireland, then there's a mammal swatch too. We can actually use the box itself, but this is a great way of finding our insects and invertebrates, is to use it as a beating tray. So we actually put it under the leaves of a tree, give it a shake, or pop some dead leaves into it and give it a shake, and then take them out and see what falls into it. So we can actually collect some of our insects that way and then transfer them to the jars. Just for our citizen science, we've captured a shield bug here. So first I'm going to identify the shield bug using the swatch, and then we're going to upload him to the National Biodiversity Data Centre using the Biodiversity app.